After protracted negotiations and recriminations, almost 3 million more people in England are set to come under the highest level of restrictions.
Given the public health situation, I must now proceed with moving Greater Manchester, as I say, to the very high alert level. Because not to act would put Manchester's NHS and the lives of many of Manchester's residents at risk.
Regional Mayor Andy Burnham insists Johnson's government walked away from talks, even after local leaders compromised on what financial support package they'd accept for people whose workplaces shut down.
You are asking people to do a big thing, and you can't do that without fully supporting them through that and doing it on the cheap. But that is what it seemed to me they were trying to do. The whatever it takes moment of earlier this year has completely gone. It's you'll get what we'll give you. And that is unacceptable in the middle of a national crisis like a pandemic.
The UK is clearly in dangerous territory. It's just recorded more than 21,000 new cases, the highest daily figure so far. And the devolved government in Wales is bringing in a so-called firebreak lockdown on Friday for 17 days. The UK is also planning to carry out human challenge studies. In trials that could start in January, up to 90 healthy people will be exposed to COVID-19. The aim is to speed up the arrival of a vaccine. In Italy, the government's ruling out a national lockdown despite new cases reaching a new record at the weekend. But the southern Campania region plans to introduce a nighttime curfew from the coming weekend, following a similar decision by the northern region of Lombardy, which was hardest hit by the initial outbreak. Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte was hosting his Spanish counterpart Pedro Sánchez in Rome on Tuesday. Sánchez is still considering imposing a curfew on the Spanish capital Madrid and possibly beyond.
We have very tough weeks ahead, and winter is coming. The second wave is no longer a threat. It's a reality in all of Europe.
Russia has now seen a daily record of more than 16,000 new cases, and the COVID-19 death toll has risen to almost 25,000. In Moscow, they've already opened temporary hospitals and introduced measures such as taking secondary school teaching online. The city's mayor says there's no need for tougher restrictions. But as the whole of Europe's finding out, situations can change fast. Nadim, Al Jazeera.